ISTQB Foundation Level, question 503. Consider the following statements about maintenance testing. 1. It requires both retest and regression tests, and may require additional new tests. 2. It is testing to show how easy it will be to maintain the system. 3. It is difficult to scope and therefore needs careful risk and impact analysis. 4. It need not be done for emergency bug fixes. Which of the statements are true? Answers: A. 1 and 3. B. 1 and 4. C. 2 and 3. D. 2 and 4. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Let's look at all the statements from 1 to 4 according to ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 1 is true. Maintenance testing involves retesting, confirmation testing, to verify that a specific fix or change works correctly. Regression testing ensures that the changes do not negatively impact existing functionalities. New tests may be needed if new functionality is introduced or the system is migrated. Statement 2 is false. This option describes maintainability testing, not maintenance testing. Maintenance testing ensures that changes in the system do not introduce new defects. Statement 3 is true. Maintenance testing can be complex due to the potential impact of changes on an operational system. Impact analysis is crucial to assess which areas need testing and to reduce unnecessary efforts. Statement 4 is false. Even for hotfixes or emergency patches, some level of maintenance testing is necessary. At least a targeted retest and regression testing should be done to avoid breaking existing functionality. In summary, all of the above leads us to the correct answer A, 1 and 3. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3, maintenance testing, in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that impact analysis may be done before a change is made, to help decide if the change should be made based on the potential consequences in other areas of the system. Option 3. Testing the changes to an operational system includes both evaluating the success of the implementation of the change and the checking for possible regressions in parts of the system that remain unchanged. Option 1. This is consistent with the correct answer A, 1 and 3. I believe in your hard working and thank to watching my video channel ISTQB Questions. This will help you pass the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.